Class 6, subject Mathematics, chapter 10, sorry, chapter 11, exercise 11b. Let us see multiple choice question answer. Question 1 is, which of the following has no endpoints? Our option is A, line segment, option B is a ray, option C is a line, and option D is none of these. Our question is, which of the following has no endpoint? A ray has no endpoint. No. A line segment has no endpoint. No. A line has no endpoint. Okay, so our answer is option C, a line has no endpoint. Question 2, which of the following has one endpoint? our ऑप्शन इज ए में ए लाइन, बी में ए रे, ऑप्शन सी इज ए लाइन सेगमेंट, and option D is none of these. Which of the following has one endpoint? So a ray has one endpoint, that means it is ray, it has one endpoint. So a ray has one endpoint, so our answer is option B. Question 3, which of the following has definite length? Our option is A में a line, B में a line segment, option C a ray, and option D none of these. So a line segment has definite length. Here is line segment, it has definite length, that means it is 4 cm, so it has definite length. So a line segment has definite length, our option is B. Next we see question, how many lines can be drawn on a passing through a given point? So first option is 1 only, second option is 2, third option is 3, and fourth option is unlimited number. So here we see how many lines can be drawn passing through a given point. Here is a given point, so unlimited lines can be drawn from a given point. So our answer is option D. Next question we see. How many lines can be drawn passing through two given points? First option is 1 only, second option is 2, third option is 3, and fourth option is unlimited number. Here we see how many lines can be passing through two given point. Here is two given point, only one line can be passed through two given points. So our answer is only one, option A. Next question we see. Two lines intersect. First option is at a point, second option is in a plane, third option is in a line, and fourth option is none of these. Okay, two line intersect. So here we see first line is AB and second line is CD. It intersect at a point, at a point P. So our answer is A, at a point. Next question we see. First, here we see 2 points in a plane. Determine first option exactly one line segment, option B exactly two line segment, option C an infinite number of line segment, and option D is none of these. So our question is 2 points in a plane determine exactly one line segment. So our option is A. Next question we see. Next question we see how many rays can be drawn with a given point as the initial point. Okay, first option is 1, second option is 2, third option is an unlimited number, and fourth option is a limited number. So how many ray can be drawn with a given point as the initial point? So here is given point. So unlimited ray can be drawn from a given point. Here we see. So our option A has our option has 3 and unlimited number. So our answer is option C. Okay, that's all in exercise 11B. Next topic we discuss about next exercise. Okay, thank you.